Hello and welcome back. Let's get into the plan. I really hate the backsplash, so I'm going to paint it. I know what you will say. Don't paint tiles, don't you dare. Obviously, the better choice would be to replace them, but as I stated, that is expensive, so whatever. This will have to do for a year or two until the entire kitchen gets replaced. So that's what's going to happen. First step is to remove the electric socket covers. They used to be white but have turned a lovely shade of smoky yellow over the years. These I will spray later on. I'll tape off the exposed sockets in the meantime to avoid getting any moisture in there. Next up are the old corner covers. They look pretty nasty and quite dated. The plan is to use a paintable caulk for a smooth finish. Once that is done, I give everything a good cleaning. I don't want any grease or gunk on there that would prevent my paint from adhering. So that's the plan for today. If all goes well, I get everything properly cleaned in hopefully 2 or 3 hours. Once it's dry, I'll start painting. I'm going to keep it very simple. It's going to be white. Anyway, follow along for next steps and what else I'm going to be doing here.